Yeah. I don't know.
So what could the birds want from a site like this?
Haven't no
Apparently,
idea.
they manufacture nappies, pampers.
Do they?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. Must be after all shitting nappies then.
Ah, they might recycle the nappies here. Shall we ask that?
I wouldn't think so. Oh, hang on, look, it's there with.
Won't be 2 minutes, guys.
Okay. So is he actually trying to scare the birds away?
Yeah,
Why though?
because they make a mess.
What's that bird that he's got?
I don't know, some kind of hawk, isn't it?
I'd love to have a chat with him. Is he coming
Yeah.
this way?
Can we have a look at your bird, mate? Can we have a look at your bird? Seagulls don't like it, do they?
That's what he's here for.
What's attracting the seagulls?
Sorry.
Sorry? Just asking because you
He's
can't
not
see.
attacking them, it's just his presence.
What's attracting the gulls here?
Sorry. No, he's not attracting them, he's
No.
scared of them.
No, but why are the seagulls here?